Welcome back to our channel, where we review the latest kitchen gadgets and appliances to help you make the best choices for your home. Today, we're diving into a handy little tool that promises to make your baking and cooking experiences smoother and more enjoyable: the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer, model number 62633G. We found this product online and added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this hand mixer has to offer. The Hamilton Beach 62633G is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to help you whip, mix, and knead a variety of ingredients with ease. With its powerful 275-watt motor, this mixer is more than capable of handling both simple tasks, like mixing pancake batter, and more complex recipes, such as whipping cream or kneading dough for bread. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its 6 speed settings, which allow you to tailor the speed according to the specific needs of your recipe. Whether you're gently folding in ingredients at a low speed or quickly whipping together a fluffy meringue at the highest setting, this mixer has you covered. Plus, it includes a QuickBurst button that gives you an extra boost of power at any speed, perfect for those moments when you need an additional kick to get through tougher mixtures. Another great feature is the bowl rest design. This unique addition allows you to rest the mixer on the edge of your bowl during use, keeping it within reach without making a mess. This thoughtful design ensures that drips go where they belong, into your mixing bowl and not all over your countertop. This is especially helpful when you need to pause to check your recipe or add in your next ingredient. Now, let's discuss the attachments that come with this hand mixer. It includes 5 easy-to-clean attachments: traditional beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk. This variety means you can mix, whisk, and knead without needing to invest in additional tools. The traditional beaters are perfect for everyday mixing tasks, while the dough hooks are fantastic for kneading bread or pizza dough. The whisk attachment can help you create whipped cream or fluffy egg whites with minimal effort. The Hamilton Beach 62633G is suitable for everyone from novice bakers to seasoned chefs. If you're just starting out in the kitchen, this mixer is a great tool to help you build your skills. Its user-friendly design and efficient performance mean you can focus on creating delicious meals rather than struggling with your equipment. For experienced bakers, this mixer offers the power and versatility needed for more intricate recipes, making it an essential addition to your kitchen arsenal. Practical uses for this hand mixer are endless. Use it to whip up a batch of cookies for a family gathering or to mix pancake batter on a lazy Sunday morning. If you're in the mood for homemade pizza, the dough hooks can help you achieve that perfectly elastic dough. You can even use it to prepare a quick batch of whipped cream for topping off dessert. The possibilities are truly limitless. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer with QuickBurst and bowl rest is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and thoughtful features, it's designed to make your cooking and baking experiences not